Welcome back to Weekend Hour. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. देखिए, it all starts with just 3 words. I love you. और उसके बाद आपको लगता है कि शायद ऐसा हुआ होगा, they lived happily ever after. लेकिन ऐसा कभी होता नहीं है. Before they reach that stage, there's something called शादी. और शादी करने के लिए लाइफ में आपको इतनी प्लानिंग करनी पड़ती है जितनी प्लानिंग आपने शायद नहीं की होगी अपना पार्टनर ढूंढने में. आपकी शादी कहाँ होगी, कैसे होगी, आप क्या पहनेंगे, ऐसे 10,000 सवाल होते हैं जो आपको प्लान करने होते हैं. इसीलिए हमने सोचा we'll show you something that's worked for a lot of people before you. It's called the Bridal Bazaar.
It's hard to embody the role of a blushing bride when you're just a busy one. And for all those brides, an exclusive exhibition was held showcasing bridal season's best, such as designer dresses, jewelry and accessories.
This year we had a theme, Ram Leela theme, because that is very topical these days, and it's essentially to give a boost to the fun element in the event and make it a light-hearted subject, at the same time concentrate on promoting their products and all. And we are very happy that we are able to give an opportunity to newcomers.
It was all about, mainly about Ram Leela, and so that's the reason we gave Ghagra in too many colors. It was a season for Holi even, so we wanted to play with colors as well. So the jewelry that we had applied with the dress, it was even very colorful. It had that Meenakari work done to it. So that's the way.
With the theme of Ram Leela, the bazaar was organized to relieve you from the stress of planning a wedding.
It's the bride's big day, so she should look out of the world.
The 2014 Bazaar was the perfect place for the to-be bride and groom to sort through various options.
We're a lifestyle consultancy, but under that we do a lot of other creative activities as well. We do makeup solutions, we do styling, we do media consultancy, we do photography as well. And recently we've started even doing a bit of entertainment.
From wedding decor to bridal makeup solutions, there was everything under one roof.
Under one roof and different designs. Everything is different here. So it's very nice, especially for new brides like me.
The bazaar had enough and more attractive items that you would have wanted to buy.
Came back here twice, now this is the second visit. Morning and now evening, so yeah, it's obviously been good. That's why we came back.
As the wedding bells ring, shopping can never be enough, especially for the bride.
Now the Bridal Bazaar is a great place to shop, especially for brides to be. लेकिन अगर आपकी शादी हो चुकी है तो इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है कि आप शॉपिंग नहीं करेंगे. You have your reasons to shop. For example, if you're really stressed, your stress buster is shopping. If you had a bad day, you need to shop. If you had a good day, then you have to shop. So shop करने के आपके पास reasons बहुत सारे होते हैं. इसीलिए मैं आपको एक बढ़िया चीज दिखाता हूं. I'm going to show you the launch of Le Chateau at Dubai Mall.
Le Chateau, Canada's fashion leader, reinterprets the top designer runway trends in wardrobe-worthy spring-summer looks for stylish women of all ages. The spring collection complements every angle of a fashionista's dynamic lifestyle, from career-cut power suiting to laid-back essentials.
Le Chateau is a specialty retailer from Canada. We have 229 stores. We're super excited to be in Dubai Mall with a partner like Apparel Group. We sell head-to-toe fashion, from footwear to accessories to different lifestyles.
Whether you're city hopping around Europe this summer or lounging on an exotic beach, Le Chateau's collection blends in with all occasions.
This spring collection at Le Chateau was upbeat and modern, and it was something that would suit women of all ages. The idea behind this collection was obviously to make you feel comfortable and confident in whatever you wear.
Whether you're city hopping around Europe this summer or lounging on an exotic beach, Le Chateau's collection blends in with all occasions. You will fall in love with billowing chiffon blouses, flowy dresses and laid-back denim. Crafted in the season's blues and natural tones. And to complete the look for a woman who's always on the go, a multi-compartment tote or clutch that is designed with both style and practicality in mind will do the trick.
Our in-house designers take inspiration from all sorts of different things. be it the runway fashion, different cultures around the world, different looks and feels, and they translate into beautiful collections. We have 19 collections every season for spring 2014. We have career wear, bridge, day wear, and of course our special occasion collections.
Le Chateau Spring Summer 2014 collection brings the modern woman a runway-inspired collection of wearable and splurge-worthy styles, perfect for their action-packed lifestyle.
Autumn, winter ho ya spring, summer, something that doesn't change with the season is our passion for food. And since we are getting into my passion right after fashion, मैंने सोचा कि इस बार आपको कुछ healthy dining option दिखाते हैं. तो ब्रेक लेकर वापस आइए, इसके बाद मैं और आप मिलकर healthy खाना खाएंगे.